You come into work, you're ready to get logged into Medisoft. You log in, it won't let you in. Medisoft's down. What do? Who do you call? Over the years, I've talked to many frustrated customers in response to what their support company offers for support. Their support companies have given them ranges from they'll be able to fix it within 2 business days to 2 weeks. And some even say they can't fix it at all. Here at ASCOMP, what sets us apart is our promise to you that you will never go more than 4 hours without a call to help resolve the issue you have with your software. Enjoy this tip of the week.
I want to start off this video by showing you one of our customers' favorite benefits of using ASCOMP support services, and that's the support portal. One of the nice things about it is that any time of the day, whether our office is open or closed, you can submit a service ticket to us. Another reason that it's our preferred method of submitting tickets is because when you call into our support department, you typically will talk to our service coordinator, and that's the person who's entering all the information that you're providing. Every once in a while, even though it's rare, you might have to wait on hold for a little while. But if you're using the support portal, you can just go in here as if you were your own service coordinator. Just go in and click create a ticket, and I'll briefly show you an example of how you do this. You select the service that you need here at the very top: Medisoft support, LIHTC, electronic medical records, office hours, revenue management. These are just a few things that we provide tech support for. You enter in your information, some of the details here, the title, the topic. Just for test purposes, I'm going to create a test ticket here. And let's say this is what you're putting in your ticket for. You're having problems opening up Medisoft. So error opening Medisoft on one computer. You can provide a few more details, maybe the error number, 6420, and you're entering in all the exact information, the way that you're experiencing it on your end. And then at the very bottom, you can enter in all your contact details, verify the information that's down here, so the service technician knows who to get in touch with. We don't recommend using this due date on here. If you leave this blank, this is going to go off of our response times that we have in place. We usually will get back to everybody within 3 hours. It's usually much quicker than that. Usually within an hour or 2 at the most. If it's an emergency, you can check this box off. And usually that's for those moments when every system is down, nobody can connect. Those tickets we usually grab within an hour. So very quick to get back to you on that. So once you put in your ticket details on here, that's all you have to do. You just click on submit. It's going to create a service ticket. It's going to go right into our system here, our service board. So it'll place it right in line with all the other service tickets, and a service technician is going to get a hold of you once they see it on our service board, depending on the response times. If there's something that you missed, you forgot to put on the ticket originally, you can just go right to that same ticket, click on it, add something else to it. It's going to send off another email to us, update the ticket as well. So you're doing all of this while avoiding a phone call without having to stop what you're doing and call into our service coordinator. And so it makes it much easier to process your tickets too. That's why we prefer this method for when you're sending in a service ticket. Now, if you're having an emergency and you need to get a hold of us right away, then yes, please give us a call. But otherwise, you can just submit your tickets through this portal. For older tickets, if you're looking for information on something that we fixed in the past, you can search previous tickets as well. We have this knowledge base, which is looking at all your tickets that we have for you, a history of them. Maybe you're having the same issue that comes up again. You can look up that ticket, just a couple words, a key description. It's going to bring up the ticket here on your end, and then it's going to send it back over to us that you still need help on that. So that's basically it, the support portal in a nutshell. We hope you take advantage of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching our video. We hope you enjoyed it. Let us know if you have future video suggestions. And as always, call us with any of your Medisoft needs. We'll be happy to help.